Ayan. Ag subsubliti programa na palwan. At da kami meron dito ilang 98.5 IFM Kawayan. Iti Idol tayo nga FM.
Wow, kaya syempre, dati na po timauding Jayan last 30 minutes yes, of our program. And mabaling kami kumasyon na po kada kita ganggan na at kasunsunatan
Wow.
na konektado mo lang iti Ilocano culture. Culture. Okay. Kaya kalagiti malariman lang tapong mabubuya kita kami na imbag nga pang malam tayo amin na po. Nandanin. Yan. And ano tigay mo? Kansyonin
Hindi ko nada dito eh.
Ah.
Request ka man mga idol. God's give you. Para kinlakay ko ome. Arakang yan nga madamag da paradaan da jayram motoda. Thanks sa din Jayram Kuya June. And ka naman ni Eric John de la Cruz. Para request man tayo good as I was to you.
Good as I was to you.
Wan. Ito naman ni Ma'am Consolacion Vizcaran. Nagragsakak nga nakangag day na udi nga sunata yo.
Okay, thank you Ninang. Ayan. Ano da jay naudi nga sunata tan tay
Baby kinineneng sa?
Baby kinineneng. Yes, dadi nga min ti political jingle ni Ninong Dani idi. Sumula ang po din lagi di.
Atuyen tintay utos. Managitunaws.
Okay, as requested, did God Gave Me by Brian White.
For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, though I was to blame, I still curse that rain. Didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you.
For the time I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in laughter. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. I'm that I finally free, and I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. In your arms I'm someone new, with every tender kiss from you. Oh, I must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes.
and all that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. Magandang araw mga ka-FDD. Pag-greet ko man iti family Gamboa from Amistad, Alicia Isabela. Ken family Gaston nga tindong nagtatakan. Murakas dyan, kantang nga sulinag. Thank you.
I found love for me. Darling, just try me.
And found a man.
Gusto na ka di makintal. Ulitin ta, para kini ading Adela kung na to. Ading pa-request man dito kanta nga perfect. Kung na double
Perfect.
Hanga awan F na perfect. Kung na para sa mga 40 Katubo Hong Kong chapter officers and members. Thank you.
I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in
God.
and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Si kantay babae
Nga.
nga mukha ka titib kerang, kaduwak ti arapap ken mangguangay iti pamilya.
Sino ka?
Ayat anasak
Sino?
mangilimed ti pagkapuyak, mangitandudo mangaywan tupay anak ko. Naganos ngempud nun ayan ayata, awan makaupay kadata, amuk anatip kertan ap dua. Biag ko akibinta, agsinaranay tadua, adda kadatak masakba iyanta. Biag ko intan, agbalset kasip ngitan, takyagkot pag naedang, saka karutan, dumdungeg kansyon akayatan, takawes mo na si Rayat, si kakapintasan kasla, alangan at tawanan, kurang kaniyam. Anak? Biag ko intahan, agbalsit kasip ngitan, takyagkot pag naedang, saka karutan, dumdungeg kansyon akayatan, patsyak ti berikrik nat, si kantay anghel para ka.